So Maritime Transport is a family-owned large logistics provider within the UK. We operate a fleet of around 1,300 vehicles of our own, with a further 400 dedicated subcontractors on top of that. In terms of staff numbers, we have around 2,000 drivers and a further 500 staff employees as well. Running the business of this size, we need technology support in order to get the efficiencies out of the business and make sure that we're working as smart as we can, really.
So our priorities at Maritime, from a technological point of view, have got to be mainly regarding safety. We've got to ensure that the safety of our workforce, predominantly drivers, is as good as it can be.
The main challenges of running a large fleet would be to be able to get all of the camera footage as quickly as possibly can to aid in any investigation on the insurances. Other challenges would be to aid in the security of the drivers. One of the main headaches is the fact that it has taken so long to get the footage out of the existing system.
Previously we'd have a team of driver administrators that would go out to the vehicles and they would download footage, and it's quite a time-consuming and slightly archaic process. So the ability to get that information over 4G now is a real godsend, certainly from their point of view.
With this system, it's instantaneous. What you're actually seeing is when it's right there at the time.
So at present we've got a four-way camera system, so we've got forward-facing, driver-facing, near side and offside, along with the direct vision standard kit providing exterior sensors and audible warnings. And we've also integrated the near side camera into the infotainment system within the vehicle. Real-time visibility is a massive bonus for us. It gives us the ability to coach and train our drivers.
Physically show them instead of just talking them through the system and what they could have done wrong, what they have done wrong, what they could have done better.
We wouldn't have bought the CameraMatics solution if we didn't believe in what it's doing and what it can add to the business. So
at Maritime, there are lots of things that we look for within a supplier. We have to have loyalty, reliability, future-proofing of products.
We believe that the guys are on the right train in terms of what they're doing with the product, how they're moving the product forward, and that will stand us in good stead as we move forward as a business.
CameraMatics is very important to us. I think over the coming years it's going to become more and more important as well. There'll be ideas that we can go to them with and their development teams can work on as well. So I think it's definitely a great relationship that we have both ways, where they come to us with ideas and we go to them. And I think we'll work together over the coming years to ensure that the product is as good as it can be.